Hi everyone, today we are doing a tutorial on how to make these little paper stars. Just to give you a scale, I'll put a little ruler down here. These are inches, so these are pretty tiny. When I was in high school, I would make these little stars just for funsies. You can keep them in little decorative jars or in a little vase or whatever. I did end up using them at my wedding like confetti on the tables. I forget exactly how many they say, but they're almost kind of like paper cranes where if you make a certain number, you're supposed to get a wish. I just think they're adorable and fun to make. Back when I would buy the papers for these, they came in a little can that kind of looks like this, little kind of clear plastic with the papers inside. I don't know if they still look that way, and you don't have to buy the official pastel star paper. You can certainly cut your own pieces of paper without needing to buy anything official. So I already have, well, let me show you. This is what they look like, the official papers. They're kind of glued together almost like a pad of paper. And I already separated one strip. And just to give you an idea of the sizing, if you wanted to cut your own pieces, it looks like it's about a 1/4 inch. Yeah, 1/4 inch width. And then length, it's about not quite 6 inches. So if you want this exact same dimensions, that's the sizing you're going for, but you don't have to use this exact sizing. As long as it's a strip of paper, it should work. And in fact, I would cut my own little strips when I just wanted to practice out of those sales papers that would come out once a week. That's that kind of thin paper. That worked great just for practice. So there you go. That's what we're using. So we have our strip of paper. We're going to take, I'm going to put the white side up because I want the blue on the outside of the star. And we're going to take a little bit, not any particular amount, and we're going to fold it up, not quite 45-degree angle. And then we're going to take this other tail, and we're also going to do that not quite 45-degree angle. I hope you can see. Okay. And just press down those corners or those creases. And then we're going to take this tail, and I'm just going to fold it out of the way because we're not going to need it anymore. We're just starting a basic shape. Okay. Now this tail here, we're going to fold this tail over this central shape. And you can kind of see the shape looks like a pentagon. So we're almost going to just follow that shape naturally. So if you want the paper to be flush on that edge, it follows this side of the shape. Again, turn it over. We're going to follow this edge, so we fold it up, and for this edge to be flush, it's going to follow this side of the shape. You don't have to turn this thing over to do these folds. I'm just trying to show you what this is doing. So you just keep going around. Until you reach the end of your paper. And then this little tail that's left here, I like to tuck it under this last strip of paper. This part that's going here, I like to tuck it in just to help secure that tail. Otherwise, you're going to have this weird tail kind of popping off your star. I like to support at least 3 of the sides of this shape with my fingers. You could support 4 also, but at least 3. And you're going to take your thumbnail and you're going to push in one side to dent it in. And then you're going to rotate and keep doing that. And you'll see it's puffy on both sides. It's puffed out. And you've got yourself your little stars. I'll do one more with less talking. Let's do a yellow one. We'll do one more close up. Okay, so have the side that you want on the outside of the star face down. Fold a little bit up. Fold the other side over. I'm going to tuck this smaller tail away because I don't need it. And we're going to start folding the larger tail over itself. Now if you have a kind of an awkward amount where this is going to be difficult to tuck in because it'll be so short on this other side, you can take a pair of scissors or just rip off a little bit of that extra tail. And then I'm going to tuck that tail in just like I did before. Okay, and we'll start denting in our little sides. And we have another star. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, subscribe. All those good things help my channel out. And I hope to see you at the next video. Bye.